CSC मैथ्स क्लास 9 चैप्टर 7 टेस्ट। अब देखिए चैप्टर 7 का टेस्ट पेपर जो क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द वैल्यू ऑफ लॉग 16 टू द बेस 2 इज 1/8 होगा। ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी जो है 4, ऑप्शन सी 8, ऑप्शन डी 16। अब देखिए लॉग ऑफ 16 to the base 2 can be written like this: log of 2 raised to power 4 to the base 2, that will be equal to 4 log of 2 to the base 2, that will be equal to 4 into 1, that is 4. Hence the option B is correct option. Now come to the question number 2. If a raised to power x is equal to b raised to power y, then log of a by b is equal to x by y. B option, log of a upon log of b is equal to x by y. C option, log of a upon log of b is equal to y by x. D option, none of these. Taking log of both the sides, इस दोनों का, इस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड का लॉग लेने पर क्या आएगा? टेकिंग लॉग ऑफ बोथ साइड्स वी हैव, अब देखिए x log of a is equal to y log of b, that will be equal to log of a by log of b will be equal to y by x. So the option C is correct option. Now come to the question number 3. If log of 3 is 0.477 and 1000 raised to power x is equal to 3, then equal to देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को, if log of 3 is equal to 0.477 and log of 1000 to the power x is equal to 3, then x equals A option, that is 0.0159, B option 0.0477, C option 0.159, and D option is 10. Now you see the question is 1000 raised to power x is equal to 3. It means that 10 raised to power 3x, ये 1000 है इसलिए मैंने इसको क्या किया, 10 raised to power 3x कर दिया, इज इक्वल टू 3. टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड्स, दोनों तरफ का लॉग लेने पर हमें क्या मिलेगा? 3x log of 10 to the base 10 will be equal to log 3. अब देखिए ये log of 10 to the base 10 will be equal to 1. So 3x will be equal to log 3. log 3 की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 0.477. Then x will be equal to 0.477 divided by 3 will be equal to 0.159. Hence option C is correct option. Now proceed to next question, that is question number 4. If log of 2, question number 4, if log of 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, the value of log 5 to the base 10 is equal to A option, that is 0.3241, B option 0.6911, C option 0.6990, D option 0.7525. अब देखिए log of 5 to the base 10 वर्कआउट करना हमने इसको इस तरह से लिख दिया, log of 10/2 to the base 10 will be equal to log of 10 to the base 10 minus log of 2 to the base 10, and log of 10 to the base 10 will be equal to 1. So 1 log of 2 is given, that is 0.301. So 1 minus 0.301 3010 will be equal to 0.6990. So option C is correct option. Option C is correct option. Now come to the question number 5. If log of 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, the value of log 80 to the base 10 is A option, that is 1.6020, B option, that is 1.9030, C option 3.9030, D option none of these. Now we can work out the log of 80 to the base 10 can be written like this: log in bracket 2 raised to power 3 into 10 to the base 10. That can be written again like this: log of 2 raised to power 3 to the base 10 plus log of 10 to the base 10. This 2 की power 3 है. This can be written like this: 3 log of 2 to the base 10 plus log of 10 to the base 10. 3 into log of 2 की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 3 into 0.3010. देखिए तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 3 into 0.3010 plus 1. This will be equal to 0.9030 plus 1, that will be equal to 1.9030. So hence B option is correct. Question number 5, B option is correct. Now come to the question number 6. If log of 7 to the base 10 is A, then the log of 1 upon 70 to the base 10 is equal to minus in bracket 1 plus A, B option 1 plus A raised to power minus 1, C option A upon 10, D option 1 upon 10A. So let us solve it. Log of 1 by 70 to the base 10 can be written like this: log of 70 to the power minus 1 to the base 10. That will be equal to minus log of 70 to the base 10 minus log 7 into 10 to the base 10. This can be further written like this: minus in bracket log of 7 to the base 10 plus log of 10 to the base 10 minus outside of the bracket, inside the bracket, log of 7 to the base 10 is A, it is already given, and log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. Therefore, the option A is correct. Now come to the question number 7. If log of 27 is equal to 1.431, then the value of 9 is equal to 0.934, B option 0.945, C option 0.954, D option 0.958. So log of 27, that can be written, is already given, log of 27, that is 1.431. This can be further written log of 3 raised to power 3. 27 के जगह पर हमने लिख दिया log of 3 to the power 3, that can be equal to 3 log 3 is equal to 1.431. So log of 3 is equal to 1.431 divided by 3, it will be equal to 0.477. Now log of 9, that can be written log of 3 की power 2, again you can write it 2 log of 3, 2 into log of 3, that will be 2 into 0.477 and it will be equal to 0.954. Hence C option is correct option. Now come to the question number 8. If log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of 5x plus 1, log of 5x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to log of x plus 5 to the base 10 plus 1, then x is equal to option A, that is 1, B option 3, C option 5, D option 10. Given log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of 5x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to log of x plus 5 to the base 10 plus log of 10 to the base 10 मीन्स 1 के जगह पर हमने ये लिखा है 1 के जगह पर, क्योंकि सभी को log में चेंज करना था मेरे को, तो log of 10 to the base 10. नाउ देखिए एडिशन फॉर्म में है, दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. सो log of 5 into 5x plus 1 equal to log of 10 in bracket x plus 5 to the base 10. This will be equal to 5, just by removing the log of both the sides we will get 5 in bracket 5x plus 1 is equal to 10 in bracket x plus 5. So 5x, 5 से 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 2 इधर आ गया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2x plus 10, here it will be 5x plus 1. Now 5x minus 2x, that will be equal to 3x, and 10 minus 1, that will be equal to 9. So x will be equal to 9 by 3 and it will be equal to 3. Hence option B is correct option. Now come to the question number 9. If log of 4 to the base x is equal to 0.4, then the value of x is option A, that is 1, B option 4, C option 16, D option 32. Log of 4 to the base x is equal to 0.4. This can be written in the exponential form, that is x raised to power 0.4 equal to 4. Hence x will be equal to 4 raised to power 1 by 0.4. X is equal to 4 raised to power 1 upon 0.4. This decimal point will be removed by 4 raised to power 10 by 4. Further you solve it, you will get 5 by 2. And now this 4 can be written 2 raised to power 2 into 5 by 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So we will get ultimately x is equal to 2 raised to power 5 and that is equal to 32. The option D is correct option. Now come to the question number 10. The solution of log of pi in bracket log to the base pi in bracket log to the base 2, again bracket is there, log of x to the base 7 is equal to 0. So the solution will be option A, that is 2, B option pi square, C option 7 square, D option none of these. Now first of all we write down the questions like this. Log of pi in bracket log of 2, it is log of this bracket to the base pi. So this base raised to power this given, that is 0, pi raised to 1. Now you see the log of 7, log of x to the base 7, again log of 2 will be equal to pi raised to power 0. Pi raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So again this can be in exponential form. Second time exponential form में लिखा जाएगा. Log of x to the base 7 will be equal to 2 raised to power 1. देखिए ये पावर हो जाएगा और ये बेस रहेगा. So 2 raised to power 1, that will be equal to 2. So again log of x to the base 7 is equal to 2. Therefore the x is equal to 7 raised to power 2. Or you can work out the x is equal to 49. So in option, you see option C, 7 raised to power 2 is given. That is option C is correct option. That's all.